place I come from. Straight down to the ground, you see. Down past the one and thing out there. Yo, the fire like ready to pick up for real.
So once the dirt start dropping on that, man.
And then you want to see the dirt drop on night still, you know. Yeah. Look on that fire raise up in the air. I was the fire ready to fly up to the sky. Dog.
I saw a slap tree burn way up in the air.
Good.
You know, at
So what's up? In coil up there.
you say now if you get hotter, you know, Sally?
Yeah man, if you get hotter man. If it gets hot, you know we're supposed to get sit down here, sir. You're supposed to sit down here, sir, and ready for run. And I say, you can't stand, you know? You can't stand the flame, get the hell out of the kitchen and see it. You know. Yes, I said at one ship on it, or hotter than this.
Hotter than that.
Hold on, look a bit louder. What you say? Hotter than this?
Left that alone.
Or hot?